If DaVinci Resolve keeps failing when you try to export, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple fix for export errors in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. This is one of the fastest ways to get your render working again, especially if the problem is being caused by corrupted cache files or an export settings mismatch. So if you've been stuck staring at an error message and your video won't finish rendering, this guide is for you. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's fix it. First, make sure you are on the edit page in DaVinci Resolve and that your clips are visible on the timeline. This matters because we want to start from the same place where your project is already being edited, and it also helps confirm that your timeline is loaded properly before we make any export changes. If your timeline is open and ready, the next step is to clear out any corrupted render cache that may be causing the error. At the top of the screen, go to Playback, then choose Delete Render Cache and click All. This is an important step because cached frames can sometimes become damaged or outdated, and when that happens, Resolve may try to use those broken files during export. By deleting the render cache, you're forcing DaVinci Resolve to rebuild those temporary files cleanly, which often solves export problems immediately. Once that's done, give it a moment to clear everything. Now that the cache has been removed, move down to the bottom bar and switch over to the Deliver page. This is where all of your export settings live, and it's the page you need to use anytime you want to render out your final video. If the export error was caused by the wrong format, codec, or resolution, we can correct it here. On the Deliver page, choose a preset first if you want to get a quick starting point, and then scroll down to the Video Settings section. This is where you can fine-tune the exact export options for your project. A lot of export issues happen when the settings do not match the timeline or when the selected codec is not compatible with the file type you're trying to create. Set the format to MP4. This is one of the most widely supported formats and is usually the safest choice for YouTube uploads and general playback. Then set the codec to H.264. H.264 is a very common codec and is usually much more stable than more specialized formats if you're dealing with an export error. Using MP4 with H.264 gives you a reliable combination that works well for most projects. Next, make sure the resolution matches your timeline. This is very important because a mismatch between your timeline resolution and export resolution can cause unnecessary errors or rendering issues. For example, if your timeline is set to 1920 by 1080, your export should usually match that, unless you have a specific reason to change it. Matching the resolution helps DaVinci Resolve export cleanly without trying to convert the project into something unstable at the last second. Once everything looks correct, take a moment to review the rest of your export settings and make sure nothing unusual is turned on that could interfere with the render. If you've had repeated export errors, keeping the settings simple is usually the best approach. After checking everything, click Add to Render Queue. This sends your project into the queue so it's ready to render with the updated settings. Now go to the render queue and click Start Render. At this point, DaVinci Resolve should begin exporting using the cleaner cache and the more stable MP4 and H.264 settings. In many cases, this is enough to fix the issue and let your video render all the way through without stopping. If the export still fails after this, the most likely causes are either a corrupted cache problem that needs another cleanup or an unsupported export setting somewhere in the project. That usually means checking the timeline again, simplifying the export preset, or making sure the codec and resolution are fully compatible with your media. But for most users, the steps I just showed you will solve the problem. So to quickly recap, go to the Edit page, delete the render cache, open the Deliver page, set format to MP4, set codec to H.264, match the resolution to your timeline, and then add the job to the render queue and start the render. That's the easiest way to fix many DaVinci Resolve export errors safely and quickly. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more DaVinci Resolve fixes, editing tutorials, and export tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.